Welcome back to our channel! So today we're going to make pancit with vegetable. Fresh pancit for go category, shrimp and pork for grow category, and bell pepper and petchay for glow category. As you can see, it's very healthy. So let's start. Oh, but first we have some visitors.
Hi guys!
This is Sam and Nicole.
Hi guys! Hi guys!
First, we're going to saute the garlic and onion. First, we're going to saute the garlic and onion. Until brown in color.
And then
Next, add the onion. Break dance in 3, 2, 1. Wait, renegade. Joke lang. Then add the pork.
tulog ka na.
Next, add the broth.
Go. After adding the pork broth, you have to wait for it to simmer.
Add seasonings for extra flavor.
Go.
Now that it's simmering,
And the
we're gonna add the fresh pancit.
Okay.
Next, add the petchay. Oof.
Nice grease, that's right. How about you, Paris?
Yes.
Sam?
Maybe. Then add the bell pepper. Then let's add the shrimp.
Yay, that's awesome.
That's great! I don't know what to dance. Now let's taste the final product.
Super yummy.
It's yummy, guys.
You should try it.
Please subscribe.